What's up, guys? Welcome back. One of the questions that seems to pop up very often is, David, how do you get these high quality videos? What kind of phone or camera are you using? So guys, let me go ahead and show you exactly how I get these high quality videos, and I hope that this helps you guys. That's why I make these videos. So midway through the video or after the video is almost completely done, I would appreciate if you guys hit me with the thumbs up button so that other operators can get this information. The algorithm is basically gonna push my information out to other operators. Now guys, I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm able to achieve these high quality videos so that you guys can use these high quality videos to market your 360 booth services. So I use TouchPix, right? And TouchPix, when you're recording with TouchPix, there are certain settings you can use. But what I'm doing is, before I close the event on TouchPix, I go into the folder that has unrendered files. So these files are uncompressed, which means that these files are available to me at 60 frames per second, which is why you guys can see in my videos, they look really super highly smooth in comparison to a compressed video with the boomerang and the slow-mo effect already added, which is a compressed file. So I'm gonna put two videos side by side. One of them is uncompressed, it's a raw file, it's recorded at 60 frames per second. And then you guys will see another video, the output and the rendered file is already at 30 frames per second, 1080p, but there's a big difference. So guys, check this out. I'm gonna show you exactly how to achieve this type of video rendering and where you can go get it on your iPhone. By the way, I'm using a standard iPhone 13 for all of my 360 booth events. I started off with a iPhone 12 mini when I first started my business back in March of 2022, and the videos were still beautiful and great. Now guys, this is one thing that I do like about TouchPix is that you have access to this folder called unrendered files. LumaBooth unfortunately doesn't have that. So I've been using both applications and I'm looking forward to making a video, and it's most likely gonna be titled LumaBooth versus TouchPix. All right, enjoy the video. Here we go. Microphone check, 1, 2, 3. All right, so I just have an event right now on TouchPix. So as you guys can see, I have this event right now. One thing I want you guys to do is I want you guys to go to your settings on your iPhone, and I want you to scroll down all the way to the camera section. Let's go ahead and find that camera. That camera is going to be right here. Let's go ahead and select that camera. Now for the record video part right here, the record video, let's switch it to 1080p 60 frames per second, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and leave it like that. Now we're gonna go back to TouchPix here and record a quick video. I'm gonna go ahead and activate the slow-mo here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then I'm gonna just start moving my hand just like this. Dun, 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 dun. All right, just gonna do that just for the sake of the video. It's processing the data. Now, one thing I really like about LumaBooth is when it comes to rendering the file, it does it in like less than 15 seconds, which is something that TouchPix has not been able to achieve. So I had to fast forward this part, guys, and I just wanted to share this information with you. Okay, so that's the compressed file with the boomerang and all the effects, okay? Now, say for example, you are done with the event, okay? Say you're done with the event. I don't want you guys to close the event on TouchPix yet. What I want you guys to do is this. Go file folder right up here on my top left. Go into your files, okay? Go to browse, and we're gonna go on my iPhone right here. And you see where it says TouchPix? Let's open up the folder for TouchPix. And then there's a gallery, and then there's non-rendered right here. And I'm gonna go into the non-rendered, and I'm gonna open up this file. It's 32.1 megabytes. Now I'm gonna grab that video and play. You see how clear that video is? Okay, you can see so much detail in this video, and it's smooth because it's recorded and captured at 60 frames per second. This video, what you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and select the video and then hit this arrow at the bottom left, and you want to save this video. You want to save the video, that way it saves to your gallery. Because if you close a TouchPix event, for example, if you close a TouchPix, say you go here, right, and you close a TouchPix event, and you scan the QR code, you won't have access to those unrendered files anymore. So that's the order you have to do it in. Before you close your TouchPix event, make sure to go to files and download those videos. That way you guys have them in your gallery right here. So this is the compressed one, right? Which looks it still looks pretty good. And this is the uncompressed one. You see a lot of detail on there. You see the wrinkles on my hand. So that's how you are going to be able to achieve that. Now keep in mind, I did this in the dim light. It's because I did it in dim light, it looks kind of grainy. But when you guys have good lighting, and I always preach, guys, make sure you guys are having a good amount of lighting for all your videos to capture high quality videos. So I hope this video helps you guys. Go ahead and post your questions on the Facebook group. I'll see you guys soon.